Breonna Taylor, a 26-year-old African-American woman, was fatally shot in her own bed on March 13th, 2020, when white plainclothes officers of the Louisville Metro Police Department forced entry into her home. Road to Hell, the series. I know the pretty paved road you're traveling ends in a gas chamber lit by 6 million stars. A trail of tears, and it ends in a woman's bed, surrounded by already spent bullets. Zoom in on a police procedural, gripping, another black ricocheting thing, and that thing is your mouth. So don't even bother pretending, asking, where will it end? Like we don't already know. The plot of this show is repetitive. The acting, tired. We are all still binge watching anyway, hooked on how good it used to be and how pretty those good intentions paved over all of us. In the beginning, it was so good. God saw that it was good. And the serpent also saw. It was not good enough.